First things first, I went on a extensive search for solar panels, and this SunJack 60 watt panel maxes out at 30 watts through the USB-C port and the regular USB-A port, which the USB-A port actually only does 18 watts maximum, and the USB-C does 30 watts, so way better. With it being 60 watts, this does have a direct DC port, so you can mainline 60 watts straight into something that is DC. And that is what sold me on this thing, because when you're charging big batteries like this Canon C80 BPA30N battery, which is 47 watt hours and it holds 3200 mega amp hours, to charge one of these could take a couple hours, 3 hours. And it comes with this charger, which is DC powered. I think you're seeing how this is coming together here. The solar panel comes with this cable, which has Anderson connectors and solar connectors. So you can actually plug this thing into like a Jackery or any kind of power bank, or you can grab and it comes with adapters for different DC connectors. So I can connect this DC connector straight to my Canon C80 battery charger, and then straight into the back of the panel right there. Deploy the panel, full sun. This thing is charged in about 2.5 hours. Kind of incredible. Well, context, this will last, one of these batteries will last me almost all day out there. I usually carry 2 with me, and I have one always back at camp charging up. And like I said, a lot of times we're not too far away from camp. So a lot of the day is managing charging, where I'm seeing where this is at, has a nice little indicator right up front. And pretty much whatever the lowest one is, it's usually sitting on this panel at all times. And it works great. I never ran out of batteries. I always had batteries. Now, to charge the R5 Mark II batteries, I bought this newer 4-way charger. It's USB-C. Obviously, you can go USB-C from here to the panels, charge 4 of them that way. I like to leave my SunJack power bank basically connected to this all day long while I'm out. And then at nighttime, I'll grab the bank right here, pop that into here, charge 4 batteries. I have another rack over there that takes 2 more batteries, and that has a USB. So I can plug in USB-C to here. I could charge 6 batteries overnight, and it almost barely puts a dent in this thing, which is awesome. And then the next day, I just plug this back in the panel, charge it up throughout the day, and then at night, charge the batteries again. The real only hard part is, like, you can only charge one of these big Canon C80 batteries at a time. So it just gets a little tricky. You just have to kind of figure out and be very aware of these batteries running low and when you can charge them. It also rained a lot this last May when we were on our brown bear hunt, and this panel got soaked every single day and kept working. So it's pretty weatherproof, I'd imagine. And it fits right into my backpack, which is kind of nice. And yeah, we just toss it in the bush plane, and I mean, off we go. So realistically, it's basically this, the panel, a couple cables here. And I mean, I'm charging my entire camera kit right here. I do bring my laptop to back up footage, obviously. And if I plug this thing into that laptop, it's gonna, that sucks it dry. Luckily for me, one of the other guys that comes with, he also brings a couple cameras. We bring extra battery banks. He also got a SunJack 60. He even got a big, I think it's an EcoFlow 120 watt panel. So, I mean, we're pretty stacked out there, and we have tons of extra stuff. But if I were to be out there alone, and I didn't have that backup, I would have 2 of these, and one just to keep the laptop running so I can keep backing things up and doing nothing else. Turn it on, back things up, turn it off, put that thing back in the camera bag, and that's it. And then another one of these to keep the LP6 batteries charged, and, you know, just managing these C80 batteries. And I think I could make a USB-C adapter to DC. I'm pretty sure that's possible. And this thing actually puts out 100 watts, which is incredible. So I could technically charge one of these, you know, like that, but I just got to find the converter for it. So that means I would need 3 of these, and each of these to charge all the way is probably 3-4 hours under full sun with the 30 watts. So that tells me you would actually need 260 watts to charge 3 of these in a manner of time where you can do it fast enough to keep doing your job. This September, we're going to be at a cabin, so we will have a generator with us, but I'm still bringing this kit because we will have a few days where we're out and we're sleeping in tents and not in a little cloth cabin. So great little piece of kit here. I absolutely love this thing. If you wanted to, you could even bring out a bigger Jackery power bank with bigger panels and have even more power. Like, you could totally do that. But for like super light run and gun, which is what I like it ultra light. And this right here this is it right here. You can be out in the backcountry almost indefinitely until you run out of memory.